Hi everyone, welcome back to the video part 2 of the Power BI update blog series. In our previous video we have completed few updates from the May feature summary. If you are new to Power BI, then Microsoft release monthly updates so that each month you will get a monthly update blog in which you will get ideas about what are the new features added to the Power BI, what are the changes in the existing features, modifications, and all these kind of details. Along with this, you will also get details related to the events or conferences going on. So before coming to the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Anmol Malvi, and currently I am working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics, and I've also been recognized as a Microsoft Community Super User. I've also completed certifications in Power BI, which is Microsoft PL 300, and the other certificate which is related to which is DP 600 related to Microsoft Fabric. Now coming back to our video, I will continue from where we left. So the next update is upcoming changes to the Power BI app in the Teams navigation menu. So they want you to aware about the new left navigation menu that will be coming to the Power BI apps for team in the upcoming weeks, and this update will aim to simplify navigation within the app and make it easier to access Power BI items in Teams. The new navigation menu is designed to be more intuitive, helping users locate the tools and features they need faster and more effectively. Apart from it, there is some visual update for semantic model with discourage implicit measures enabled. Visuals in Power BI report now show helpful information when attempting to create or edit implicit measures when discourage implicit measure properties enabled on the underlying Power BI semantic model. So this is again a feature you can turn on or turn off the implicit measure from the data model view. Moving ahead, there are few modeling updates. So first one is you can there is selection expressions for calculation group. So if you have worked with calculation group, then you know how powerful they are for simplifying measure logic and enhancing report functionality. It does not stop there though, because this month we are wrapping up our preview of selection expressions. So there are two type of selection expressions available, you can see on the screen. First is multiple or empty selection expression. So this selection expression is applied when multiple calculation item have been selected, or a non-existing calculation item has been selected, or a conflicting selection has been made. And the next type is no selection expression. So this selection expression is applied when the calculation group is not filtered. Next is TMDL view enhancement. So code editor, the TMDL view provides an alternative to semantic modeling by using the code rather than a graphical interface. So context tooltip on mouse over providing information about the each TMDL object or property. So whenever you hover over that particular object, you will get the details about that. Then you can format your TMDL code by pressing Shift, Alt and F, or just by clicking the format options in the ribbon. You can automatically code actions offering useful quick fix to your TMDL code, such as generating a new lineage tag or correcting misspelled property names. So these are few updates in the TMDL view. You can read more into detail about it. Then there is direct link relationship improvement. So creating relationships with direct link tables is now even easier. When dragging and dropping columns to create a relationship, the cardinality is now populated based on the number of rows in each table. And the table with a higher number of rows is chosen to be the many side, and the other table is chosen to be on the one side of the relationship. So this is the update. Next is direct link and import tables in the same semantic model. So this is again a key update. Apart from it, there are few updates related to data connectivity. First is new Google BigQuery connector implementation is available there. Connect to the Vertica database with the user install ODBC driver. You can connect to the Oracle database with the built-in driver, and there are some improvement in the Snowflake connector. Apart from it, there are few visualization which has been added. So first one is Dandelion chart. You can definitely check this out. It looks amazing and make your report more effective. Then there is a dynamic radial bar chart by JTA. And accent dots are here an innovative way to visualize variances in a Zebra BI table. Then there are few KPIs by PowerWiz, so you can check out these amazing KPIs and use these into your Power BI reports. And then there is a drill down timeline pro by Zoom chart. So this is again very helpful visual. And lastly, there is a Power BI Power Gantt chart by Nova Silva. So this is again a very useful for task management, project management kind of report. So these are the major updates from the May. and see you in the next video in the next month update. And we will also cover some topics into details. Right now we just share the overview. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.